This video is brought to you today by Mitch's Digital Downloads. Hey there, food fans. Welcome to an exciting journey where we explore the magic of food and how it powers our lives. We all love to eat, right? Whether it's a delicious breakfast to kickstart our day, a hearty lunch to keep us going, or a tasty dinner to wrap things up, food is a big part of our lives. Food gives us energy to play, learn, and grow. It's like the fuel that keeps our bodies running smoothly, helping us stay active and focused. It helps us do all the awesome things we love, from playing sports and running around with friends to diving into our favorite books and creative projects. Food is our trusty sidekick. But did you know that food can also make us sick if we don't handle it properly? That's right. If we're not careful, those yummy meals can turn into a not-so-fun experience. That's where food safety comes in. It's all about making sure our food is clean and safe to eat, so we can enjoy it without any worries.
Think of food safety like a superpower. Just like superheroes have special abilities to protect people, we have food safety rules to protect us from getting sick. It's a set of simple rules that protect you from those nasty, invisible villains called germs. These germs can sneak into our food and cause all sorts of trouble if we're not careful. Germs are tiny creatures that can hide in food and make us sick. They are so small that we can't see them with our eyes, but they can be very powerful. But don't worry, becoming a food safety superhero is easy and fun. By learning a few simple tips and tricks, you can keep those germs at bay and enjoy your meals safely.
By following a few simple tips, you can enjoy your favorite foods without worrying about those pesky germs. Always wash your hands before eating or cooking, keep your kitchen clean, and make sure your food is cooked properly. Are you ready to become a food safety champion? Let's get started. Together, we can make sure our food is safe and delicious, so we can keep doing all the things we love. Let's dive into the world of food safety and become true food safety superheroes. Imagine this, you're about to dig into a delicious slice of pizza. The cheese is melting, the toppings are just right, and your mouth is watering in anticipation. But wait, did you wash your hands? It's easy to forget, especially when you're hungry and the food looks so good. Hand washing is like a magic shield that protects you from germs. Just like a superhero's force field, it keeps the bad guys away.
Think about all the things you touch throughout the day. Doorknobs, toys, even your pets. Each of these surfaces can be a hiding spot for germs. Germs can live on these surfaces and hitch a ride on your hands. They are invisible, but they are there, waiting for a chance to make you sick. When you wash your hands with soap and water, you're sending those germs packing. It's like giving them an eviction notice.
Make sure to scrub every nook and cranny, between your fingers, under your nails, and all the way up to your wrists. Germs love to hide in these spots. Sing the happy birthday song twice while you scrub to make sure you're washing for long enough. This ensures that you spend at least 20 seconds washing your hands, which is the recommended duration. Always wash your hands before you eat, after using the bathroom, after playing outside, and after touching pets. These are the times when your hands are most likely to pick up germs. It's a simple habit that makes a big difference in keeping those nasty germs at bay. By washing your hands regularly, you can protect yourself and others from getting sick. Clean hands are happy hands. When you take the time to wash your hands properly, you're taking care of your health and well-being. Hand washing doesn't have to be a chore. Turn it into a fun activity by washing your hands with friends or family. You can even make up your own hand washing dance. Parents, set a good example for your kids by washing your hands regularly. Children learn by watching, so show them how important hand hygiene is. And remember, if soap and water aren't available, use hand sanitizer. It's a good alternative when you're on the go. Now with clean hands, you can enjoy that delicious slice of pizza without any worries. Bon appetit. Good hand hygiene keeps you healthy and happy, ready to take on the world with a smile. Have you ever played Tetris? It's a classic game where you have to fit different shapes together to form complete lines. The better you are at organizing the pieces, the longer you can keep playing. Think of your fridge as a giant Tetris board. Each food item is a different shape and size, and your goal is to fit them all in a way that maximizes space and keeps everything fresh. Storing food in your fridge is kind of like playing Tetris too. You need to be strategic about where you place each item to ensure it stays fresh for as long as possible.
You need to organize everything in a way that keeps your food fresh and prevents harmful bacteria from growing. This means understanding the best spots for different types of food. First things first, make sure your fridge is set to the right temperature. which is between 35 degrees Fahrenheit and 40 degrees Fahrenheit, or 1 degree Celsius and 4 degrees Celsius. This is crucial because the right temperature slows down the growth of bacteria and keeps your food safe to eat. This helps slow down the growth of bacteria. If your fridge is too warm, bacteria can multiply quickly, leading to food spoilage and potential health risks.
Next, store raw meat, poultry, and seafood on the bottom shelf of the fridge. This is the coldest part of the fridge and helps keep these items at a safe temperature. This prevents their juices from dripping onto other foods, which can cause cross-contamination and lead to foodborne illnesses.
Keep fruits and vegetables in the crisper drawers to keep them fresh and crunchy. These drawers are designed to maintain the right humidity levels for produce, helping to extend their shelf life. Dairy products like milk and cheese should be stored on shelves near the back of the fridge where it's the coldest. This helps prevent them from spoiling too quickly. Remember, properly storing your food helps it last longer and taste its best. By taking a few extra minutes to organize your fridge, you can reduce food waste, save money, and enjoy fresher, tastier meals. So think of your fridge as a game of Tetris and start organizing today.
How to spot a food gone bad. Have you ever taken a bite of something and immediately knew it was bad? Sometimes food goes bad and it's easy to tell. It might have mold growing on it, smell funny, or have a slimy texture. Yuck.
But other times, it's not so obvious. Always check the expiration date on food packages. This tells you how long the food is safe to eat. If something smells off, looks strange, or has a weird texture, it's best to throw it away. Remember, when in doubt, throw it out. It's better to be safe than sorry.
Absolutely, it's always better to be safe than sorry.
Raw meat, poultry, and seafood can sometimes contain harmful bacteria that can make us sick.
But don't worry, you can handle these ingredients safely by following a few simple rules.
Always wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water before and after handling raw meat.
Use separate cutting boards for raw meat and ready-to-eat foods like fruits and vegetables.
This prevents cross-contamination, which is when bacteria from raw foods spread to other foods.
When you're cooking meat, poultry, or seafood, make sure to cook it to the right temperature.
Use a food thermometer to check the internal temperature of the food.
This ensures that any harmful bacteria are killed during the cooking process.
By following these simple rules, you can enjoy delicious and safe meals every time.
Lunchbox lockdown, packing a safe and tasty meal.
Packing your own lunch is a great way to eat healthy and save money, but it's important to make sure your lunch stays safe to eat, especially during warmer months.
Use an insulated lunch bag and ice packs to keep your food cold. This helps prevent bacteria from growing.
Pack perishable foods like sandwiches, salads, and yogurt in containers with tight-fitting lids. This helps prevent spills and keeps your food fresh.
Don't forget to include a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated throughout the day.
Wash fruits and vegetables thoroughly before packing them in your lunchbox. And remember, always wash your hands before eating.
Eating out adventures, staying safe when you're not at home.
Eating out at restaurants is fun, but it's important to remember food safety even when you're not at home.
When you're ordering, make sure your food is cooked thoroughly. If something looks undercooked, don't be afraid to ask for it to be cooked a bit longer.
Pay attention to the cleanliness of the restaurant. Do the tables and chairs look clean? Are the servers handling food properly?
If you see something that seems unsanitary, it's best to choose a different restaurant. Remember, food safety is everyone's responsibility.
Food safety superheroes, you have the power to fight foodborne illness.
Congratulations, food safety champions. You've learned some important tips to keep yourself and your loved ones safe from foodborne illness.
Remember, food safety is like a superpower that you can use every day. By following these simple rules, you can enjoy your favorite foods without worrying about those pesky germs. Spread the word about food safety to your friends and family. Together, we can create a world where everyone can enjoy safe and delicious meals.
Food safety, your recipe for a healthy and happy tummy. So there you have it, folks. Food safety isn't about being scared of food. It's about understanding how to handle it properly so we can all enjoy delicious and nutritious meals without any tummy troubles. Remember, always wash your hands to store food correctly, cook it thoroughly, and don't be afraid to ask questions if you're unsure about something. Now go forth and conquer those kitchens, lunchboxes, and restaurants with your newfound food safety knowledge. Your tummy will thank you for it. If you like this video, please hit the like button and click the subscribe button to join my channel so that I can continue to bring informative and helpful content to you. Thank you, my food safety champions. This video is brought to you today by Mitch's Digital Downloads 2024.